Welcome to the fascinating world of beetles. These industrious insects make up one of the largest groups in the animal kingdom, with over 350,000 known species.
Beetles can be found on every continent except Antarctica. They thrive in an incredible range of habitats, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts.
Did you know the heaviest insect on our planet is a beetle? The Goliath beetle can weigh up to 3.5 ounces, 100 grams.
Beetles belong to the order Coleoptera, which means sheath-winged. This refers to their unique wing structure.
The elytra, a hard shell, protects the beetle's delicate wings underneath, enabling them to thrive in diverse environments.
The ancient Egyptians revered scarab beetles as symbols of rebirth and regeneration.
Beetles play an essential role in nature as decomposers, breaking down dead plants and animals.
The Bombay beetle, also known as the assassin beetle, has a reputation for its potent bite and predatory lifestyle.
Some beetles, like the firefly, contain bioluminescent chemicals that create their signature glow.
Did you know that beetles can also be aquatic? The predaceous diving beetle is a streamlined hunter of underwater prey.
Ladybugs, beloved for their striking colors, are part of the beetle family. They help control pest populations in agriculture.
Beetles' larvae are sometimes called grubs and can cause significant damage to crops and gardens.
The bombardier beetle has a unique chemical defense mechanism, releasing a hot, noxious spray to fend off predators.
Stag beetles are named for their large mandibles that resemble a deer's antlers, used in combat to impress mates.
Beetles communicate using various methods, including sounds, chemicals, and light signals, showcasing their complex social interactions.
With their powerful jaws, rhinoceros beetles can carry objects up to 850 times their body weight. Ancient fossils reveal that beetles existed long before the dinosaurs, with evidence dating back over 270 million years.
The world's smallest beetle is the feather-winged beetle, measuring just 0.3 millimeters in length.
Beetles can often be identified by their antennae, which have various forms adapted for detecting environmental cues.
Many beetles undergo metamorphosis, transitioning from egg to larva, then pupa, before becoming adults.
The Japanese beetle, though beautiful, is considered a significant pest in North America due to its voracious appetite for over 300 plant species.
Some beetles have formed symbiotic relationships with other animals. For example, they help dung beetles by transporting them to food sources.
Quite a few beetles have iridescent shells, reflecting light to deter predators and attract mates.
Certain tribes consider the giant beetles a delicacy, preparing them as a nutritious snack.
Beetles display a vast array of colors and patterns, from metallic greens and blues to vibrant reds and yellows.
The jewel beetle set records as the world's fastest insect in flight, achieving speeds up to 37 miles per hour.
Aside from bioluminescence, some beetles can mimic their environment, blending in as a defensive strategy. Beetles perceive their surroundings through compound eyes, which provide a mosaic-like view of the world. The wood-boring beetle larva can take years to develop, munching through timber steadily over time.
The ancient Greeks incorporated beetles in their artwork, often depicting them as symbols of strength and resilience.
Dung beetles can navigate using the Milky Way, making them the first known animal to use the galaxy as a guide.
Beetle populations are vital to maintaining ecological balance, contributing to the pollination of many plant species.
The Hercules beetle is celebrated not only for its size but also for carrying weights up to 100 times heavier than its own.
Best beetles live in social colonies, communicating through distinctive squeaks and taps produced by rubbing their body parts together.
Bark beetles are notorious for devastating forest ecosystems but also play a role in returning nutrients to the soil.
Unique fungal partnerships allow ambrosia beetles to farm their own food, promoting the growth of nourishing fungi within wood galleries. Some beetle species exhibit homosexual behavior, such as courtship rituals among male individuals to establish social hierarchies.
One study on protein motion at the University of Tokyo used beetles to understand muscle development in employment research. In essence, beetles help recycle nutrients, aerate the soil, and maintain the integrity of ecosystems across our planet.
As their habitats face increased threats, understanding beetles and their ecological roles is vital for preserving biodiversity.
Thank you for joining us on this exploration of beetles. We hope these amazing facts have deepened your appreciation for these remarkable insects.